Welcome back, curious minds. This is Nidhi, and you're watching This is Digital Marketing. We are doing a mini course series, and this is module number 5 and the final module. Today, we are going to talk about unleashing the power of data, measuring and analyzing content success. After all, what is the point if you create all the content, great content, awesome create content, you publicize it, distribute it, but at the end if it doesn't give you result, right? So that's why, to keep ourselves as in check as content marketers, we are supposed to do some number crunching as well. I know it's typically for content marketers it is a very hard job, but in order to succeed you need to do hard things, right? So, the ride of measuring, analyzing content success starts from defining key performance indicators right from the very beginning. Whenever you are creating content, whether it's blog post, you need to have certain goals and objectives for your blog post. So, first thing first, let's understand how to define key performance indicators to measure how well your content is performing. You need to select metrics for measuring content performance. For example, identifying the right metrics and reflecting your content goals for your blog post. So if you have created a blog post, you need to figure out how much time you are devoting, how much content pieces you're creating. Say you are creating 30 content pieces on a monthly basis. You will do certain SEO research, right? That these are the keywords that I'll be targeting via these 30 articles. So say you are into a travel niche or you are a lemonade store. You will do keyword research in your specific niche. You will figure out that via these 30 articles, I'm going to target say about 50 to 100 keywords, and these 50 to 100 keywords have keyword search potential of say 10 lakh search volume, right? And then out of this 10 lakh, if my post do on an average okay-ish, I will get 1 lakh searches. I will get 1 lakh traffic out of this search potential, right? So my KPI, key performance indicator for blog success becomes that 1 lakh traffic that I'm getting. Okay, I have taken a very big number. That could be really scary. But in your niche, it bases the kind of keywords that you're targeting. It could be somewhere about my niche is getting 1,000 searches and I want to capture 500 potential out of it, right? I hope this is making sense. If it is not, please do comment and let me know. If you already have a very mature blog and you are already tracking search traffic on it, another metric to add could be engagement rate. So how many people are coming to your website, and out of that, how many people are spending certain amount of average time. Say for most blogs it would be like, are people reading my blog post for 2 minutes or more? So basically you can do this benchmarking on Google Analytics. By going on Google Analytics, you can see on an average a blog like yours will have what amount of average spend time, and vis-a-vis how you are performing. So yeah, that's something that you can consider apart from traffic. One thing more to keep in mind is you need to ensure that your chosen metric or KPI are directly tied to your overall business objective, right? For example, Nike measures content success based on sales and brand awareness, right? So yeah, based on where you are and what you're trying to achieve, you will measure success. For example, HubSpot measures its content success based on the leads that they receive. The example that we took in the previous one, that site is HubSpot. So yeah, they do it on lead management. Okay, so now coming to the next topic, which is analyzing content performance. Now that we know what to measure, let's dive into analyzing your content performance using powerful analytics tools. One is of course Google Analytics, other is Adobe Analytics. You can use these tools to gather valuable data, exploring different metrics and reports, cutting and slicing and dicing data into various shapes and forms, right from the traffic that you are getting to how much of this traffic is retained by your website and this traffic navigates further, right? People typically go on Amazon, they don't just visit that page, they visit other pages also. That's called site navigation. Many times it so happens that traffic comes on the website, they don't like what they are seeing and they bounce back. That's called bounce. report, right? So Google Analytics gives you a lot of such reports like traffic, bounce back, consumer journey, etc. So yeah, that's something that you can use when it comes to website, blogs, etc. And similarly, on social media platforms, these platforms also have very sophisticated analytics dashboard. In case you are using Instagram business account, you can either go to your Facebook analytics and see how your posts are performing, or you can go to your Instagram profile, and then in there you can see insights tab and see what is your demographic, user demographic, what kind of engagement level do they have with each and every post, etc. Right? You can do that analysis. Similarly, you can do this on YouTube. I see which of my videos are performing well, and one reason I'm creating this course is because one of my content marketing videos went viral, and it gets me a lot of traffic, and a lot of you came to this channel because of that video, and you keep asking for this content. So see how my analytics, YouTube analytics was stimulus to this course that you're watching today. So yeah, you can similarly go on Facebook and see Facebook analytics to see what kind of attraction you're getting on your posts. So yes, as I conclude, I would say making data driven content decisions is super important in today's day and age. Using data to guide content creation strategy, like I gave my own example, I'm doing that. This is a very practical use case of this. Adjusting and improving content based on these insights is super helpful. For example, another example is I started creating content on ChatGPT, and a couple of my videos went viral. So I created an entire list of some 15 to 20 videos. It's out there on the channel, go check it out. So yes, do that. Iterating and optimizing content basis these insights is another very important thing that you need to keep in mind. Conducting experiments to compare different versions of content, right? So I've experimented having content on the side of my videos to see if there is better performance. I have also experimented with different headlines, visuals, call to action formats, and what is it that people really like, etc. So keep doing that. Do a lot of A/B testing, where you take a content piece and have a version A and just change the headline of it and make a version B and see which one performs better, right? So yes, identifying areas of improvement is an ongoing process, and you must do. And yeah, strategies for continuous optimization. Once upon a time, my SEO course used to be one of the key search drivers to this channel, and then I figured it gradually started dropping. So I went back and saw some current trends, which are like chat GPT and SEO, etc. So what I did was, one, I created new videos around it, and two, I enhanced my description, right? So yeah, that's something that you are supposed to do. So yes, congratulations, data explorers. You have learned how to measure and analyze and optimize your content on an ongoing basis. You have learned powerful data strategies. Now remember to define your KPIs and analyzing data, and do continuous optimization. And I hope you are going to use these strategies. And if you have not seen all other videos, go do check it out, because this is part of a mini course, content marketing mini course. It is there are some 5-6 videos around it, so check that. And do comment and let me know if you want me to cover any nuanced topics under content marketing. This was a beginner's course, and if you want me to create another course at intermediate and advanced level, where we roll up our sleeves and get to content writing practically, then do let me know. This is Nidhi Singh signing off. See you in the next video.